Wienermobile. Oscar Mayer Wienermobile spotted. It's a sign. It's a sign I should go get some lunch. Anyway, bumpy road here. Thank you, Jeff Bezos. Amazon Billy. Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. All right, let's go get a burger. We're not going to get a wiener. Hey, good morning, guys. It is Friday, end of the week. And it's an absolute crappy day. It's pouring down rain. It's going to pour down rain the rest of the day. And then it's going to get really, really cold and maybe sleet. There's like nothing worth walking around to see in the rain. But we can get a hamburger, which we're going to do. We might have a motorcade. We might have a helicopter later, but I don't really feel like walking around in this stuff. And as you can see, neither does anyone else feel like walking around or ice skating in this stuff either. Basic burger. Burgers, always burgers. Just in time. Let's go behind the porta potties. I just wanted to get away from the porta potties. And here comes the president. That was a big one, yeah? That's the president and vice president's motorcade running as one unit. You could sort of tell the distinction, the vice president's motorcycles were at the back and stuff like that, though the vice president was in the front. Anyway, it's still raining, it's still cold. They're gone for a while. We're not going to see helicopters for many hours, so let's go find something else to do, yeah? So guys, we got some time to kill and it's raining. Why don't we go inside this place, the Smithsonian National Museum of American History. There is the Star-Spangled Banner, the banner that flew over Fort McHenry. But it's closed at the moment, so we have to go somewhere else. Let's go this way. So this is a rather famous statue of George Washington, sometimes called George Washington in a bathtub. I don't know why, but it does kind of look like he's in a tub. It's an exhibit on democracy. Let's see what we can find in here. Funny hats. George Washington's document box. That's where he kept all his documents. And next to it is this desk. This little desk is where the first draft of the Declaration of Independence was written by Thomas Jefferson. This is Benjamin Franklin's printing press. Votes for women. It's all about voter registration. Boy, the 1970s were weird. Kennedy's debate chair. This whole exhibit is just on the Wizard of Oz and the ruby slippers. Did I not say American history? Oh no. Smithsonian American History Museum. And then next up is Eleanor Roosevelt's inaugural gown in the back there. And this is Nancy Reagan's dress, or suit. She wore it at the 1980 Republican Convention. Wore this green thing. And oh, here comes the Jackie Kennedy dresses. What are the ones in the back there? I don't know whose those are in the back. Jackie wore this yellow one. Old Egg Cassini. Eisenhower wore this. It's raining outside, so I can't show you what's going on outside today. Carter's dress. President Carter's wife. And Nancy Reagan's inaugural dress. It's pretty. And then this is Barbara Bush, wore this blue thing. Hillary Clinton's dress. And then George H.W. Bush. And then Michelle Obama. Oh, Trump. So that's Trump's wife. Wore that dress. Obama's, they have all the jewelry too. Quite a lot of jewelry. China, that's Martha Washington's China. Abigail Smith Adams, China. Dolly Madison's China. President Monroe. The other President Adams, which is his son. President Polk. And then Mary Lincoln, Mary Todd Lincoln's China. This is Congressman Grant, President Grant's China. Lucy Webb Hayes. They like ducks, I guess. And then Caroline Scott Harrison. Edith Roosevelt, which was Teddy Roosevelt's second wife. This is Dwight Eisenhower's uniform. It's all about different presidents. What's this black attaché? This, guys, the football. Yep, this is the football. This was Clinton's football. You guys have actually asked what the football looks like. That's it. This is a train from Santa Cruz, California. Santa Cruz Railroad. And then back here, I think this is a Washington, D.C. Tram now. It's an old trolley. And then they've got some old carriages too. Washington, D.C. in the 1900s. This is the D.C. streetcar. Let's go down to the big train. And then they've got ocean liners. Well, models of ocean liners, like what it looked like to go on an ocean liner. And even dirigibles. I don't think that's the Hindenburg. But now we're getting into cars. Wouldn't be a real American exhibit without cars now, would it? The first drive across the continent. 1903, H. Nelson Jackson of Vermont captured the attention by driving from California to New York. Eventually, he actually made it. Now we get into railroads. More cars. They've got a big engine over here. An old motorcycle. Flying Merkel, 1913. That looks like a hot rod. Wait a second. A Turn Auto. Model T, basically revved up as a hot rod. More cars. Ooh. Is that Chips? Motorcycle cop. Interstate highways, minivans. Pontiac Grand Prix. Then a big rig. We might be seeing more of these big rigs in Washington soon. You never know. Oh, and then one of these little things. The Honda Civic. 1977 version. Walk onto a tram. Commuter rail. Metropolitan CTA is from Chicago. Those of you who are old and from Chicago might remember that. Well, we can go inside.
This little thing. How are you?
1959. That actually made me a little dizzy with the lights moving and the noise. Oh, what kind of car? That's a Woody? Hot Rods, Portland, Oregon, 1949. What's that? And then for no reason, Fozzie Bear is here. Okay, so I guess because Fozzie was in a movie driving a car, Fozzie deserves to go here. It's an old bus. This is an old school bus from Indiana, 1939, Jackson Township, Southern Indiana school bus. What's that, a camper? And there's that big engine. They had a massive effort to bring that thing in here. They had to close the roads. I think they sort of like built the building around the engine almost. A couple old cars over here, 1930s and 40s. And this big old train. I remember there's like an exhibit on how they got this in here. I haven't been here 20 years probably. Salisbury, North Carolina. This train used to service North Carolina. Okay. Let's make our way out of here and see if it's still raining outside. Or if we can find something else interesting. Ooh, here we go. Into the freaky cars. What's this? This is an EV1? This is like one of the first electric cars. 1900s. What's this? The Tucker. This is a Tucker sedan. If you guys ever saw the movie Tucker, that is a Tucker. Cool. Dang. We got a lot of rain. Basically, this part of the road is flooded here at Pennsylvania and 17th. It's a mess today. So the White House is red, white, and blue. You can see, well, red, white, and purple, I guess. There's a little bit of blue, a little bit of red light. Doesn't really shine out right now. Well, it's middle of the day. But that's the lights you guys saw last night. Red, white, and blue for the Olympic team. The Olympics kicked off today in China. Unfortunately, our view of the lights is kind of obstructed by the fence. I guess at night you could tell, but right now you can't really make it out. Well, maybe just a bit. Just up there a little bit. You can see it a little better from here. All right, road closures have just taken effect. There's a camera crew over there for some reason. Let's go down and see them. That's the vice president. Hey guys, so I was going to go down to the White House and film Marine One, but they just did a bad weather call. Bad weather call means that the aircraft will not be flying. They are going to motorcade to Andrews and then fly up to Delaware tonight. Also means I'm done. I'm done for the day. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll be back around this weekend sometime. Maybe. We'll see. It's going to be really, really cold. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.